Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. We are going to revise today fractions 1. Yes. So first that concept is, what's the concept? Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction.
Fraction.
Glenn, can you tell me what is a fraction?
A fraction is a half of a whole.
Fraction is a part of a whole. So what is equivalent fraction?
So fractions that are equal.
Dia?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Can I say?
Yes. What? Yes.
Fractions that denote the same part of a whole are called equivalent
Okay.
fractions.
Okay, fractions that denote the same part. Okay, same part means you can see from the picture 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. So they represent the same part. Okay, children, I will ask one by one to read the questions from page number 1. All of you please take out page number 1. Here we are revising mainly MCQs because our exam is in MCQ pattern. Okay, Ryan, can you take question number 1 and read page number 1, 8.1.
When a whole is divided into two equal parts, each of them is called a half.
Half. Each of them is called a half. If we are dividing into 4 parts and we are taking one part, what we will say? 1/4. Okay, 1/4. If it is only 2 parts, if it is divided into 2 parts, we can say 1/2. Okay, quarter, half. You remember that? Yes. Mayuk, can you read next question 2?
Yes, ma'am. When a whole is divided into 5 equal parts, each of them is called 1/5.
1/5. Okay, 1/4, 1/5. If we are taking 2 parts, we can say 2/5, 2/3. Okay, so read the question carefully and according to that you can say. Risa, question number 3. Risa. Dash makes a whole.
Option D, 3
D,
by
3 by 3. So children, whole means the numerator and denominator will be same. Okay, if we are dividing a whole into 5 parts, then 5 by 5 is the whole. If we are dividing into 10 parts, we are taking all the 10 parts, means 10 by 10. It's a whole. So if the numerator and denominator are same, we can say they are, it represent a whole. Okay, Izan, next question. Izan. Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 4.
The figure,
Hmm.
whose shaded
Shaded part represent.
part represent the fraction 1 by 4 is option C.
Option C, 1 by 4. So if you are some children, they will check only 4 parts. Option A is 2 by 4. So the denominator, it is 4, but you have to check the numerator also. Which question? It is 1 part or 2 part. Okay. Now, who can tell me how we can make equivalent fractions? Aditi, can you tell me? Equivalent fraction means fraction that denote the same part. How you can make equivalent fractions?
We can multiply or divide it by the same number.
We can multiply both numerator and denominator. Also, by the same number, you can multiply. Also, we can divide. Okay, read question number 5 and tell me the equivalent fraction from that.
The fraction equivalent to 3 by 6 is 9 by 18.
Okay, 9 by 18. Can you tell me by which number we have multiplied? 3 by 6. How you are getting 9 by 18? By which number you are multiplying? 3 into which number?
Ma'am,
Ah. Ah. 3 into which number is 9? 6 into which number is 18? 6 times?
ma'am,
Did you understand the question, Aditi? Aditi is muted. Some disturbing sound, Aditi, because I think some children, they have not muted. Maybe because of that. Okay. All of you, please mute. I am asking one by one because some sound from... yes, Aditi. You got the answer now?
ma'am, 3.
3. Okay. 3 into 3 is 9. 6 into 3 is 18. So this 9 by 18, how we can make again two equivalent fraction 3 by 6? That time you can divide. Divide by 3. If you multiply it by 3, you will get 9 by 18. 9 by 18, if you would divide by 3, you will get back 3 by 6. Okay. Okay. Now, question number 6. Who can tell me? Yes, Sri Hari. Sri Hari, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6.
The fraction represented by the unshaded part of
Unshaded part. Yes.
4 by 2.
Which will be the numerator? 4 by 2 or 2 by 4?
2 by 4.
2 by 4. The numerator means the part we are taking. Total number of parts, children, always where we had to write as the denominator. Okay. The denominator will be the bigger number because that is the total number of parts. Okay. Question number 7. Krishnananda. Krishna. Yes, Celine. Celine, read question number 7.
Equivalent fractions denote the same part of a whole.
Okay, so the question is, dash fractions denote the same part of a whole. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Okay. Next one, question number 8. Hridvi. Hridvi, question number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8. Can you read? Question number 8. Okay. The fraction. Hridvi, it's not audible. Okay, you can mute. Now, Manas.
The fraction represented by the shaded part of
How many parts is shaded and how many parts total?
6 by 8.
6 by 8. Okay. So children, next question is also same like that. The fraction represented by the shaded part. That is also 2 by 4. Now, question number 10. Also, we can see fraction represented by the shaded part. Okay. Now, children, I will give you 2 questions. You can write down in the rough book faster.
Ma'am, does like fraction will like
No.
compare-
We have only 8.1. Okay. Equivalent fractions. Okay. Question number 1. Draw 6 by 8. Draw 6 by 8. Question number 2. Find equivalent fractions. Find equivalent fraction. Find 2 equivalent fractions. Okay, children, you have to write 2 equivalent fractions for 2 by 3. The question is 2 by 3. You have to write 2 equivalent fractions. You know how you can make equivalent fractions? By multiplying or dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number.
Ma'am, does we should write in the book?
Rough book, rough book. Two by three. Write two equivalent fractions. And question number 1, draw 6 by 8. So children, question number 1, you can draw in the circle or rectangle, no problem. So here, if I am drawing in the circle, 6 parts. Children, you can check the answer. You have to draw equal parts. How many equal parts should be? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eight equal parts. From that, how many parts should be shaded? 6. Okay, next one. Niranjan, can you say the answer of question number 2? Question number 2. Can you tell me two equivalent fractions for this 2 by 3?
4 by 6, 6 by 9.
4 by 6. So how you multiplied? You multiplied by 2. Here also it multiplied by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 3 2s are 6. Okay, very good. What about the next one? 6 by
9.
9. So that means you multiplied by
3.
3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Very good. Okay. So children, if you want to multiply by any number, no problem. But if you are multiplying the numerator, the same by same number, you have to multiply the denominator also. So Felix, what you got the answer for this question number 2, Felix?
Yes,
Ah.
same only.
Same only? Same only. So you multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3. Okay. Very good. All of you got the answers, children? Yes? Can you show? Okay, very good. So children, we will complete 8.2 now. Yes, very good, Felix, I can say. Page number. All of you please take out page number 12. Page number 12. Page number 12. Can you tell me which question we have to complete? Which question?
20 and 21.
20 and
21 and 22 completed.
21.
20 only we should
Okay, I will ask one by one. I will ask one. 21 we completed. I remember that. Okay, Felix, tell me. If everyone said together, it's not audible. Yes, Felix.
We yesterday completed 21 and 22.
Only 22 we have to complete. Yes.
Can we should complete today 20.
Okay. Can you read question number 20?
Okay, ma'am. The equal parts of a circle are painted in different colors. Write the fraction of each color in the circle. Compare the fractions. Which color is used the most and which is used the least?
Least. Okay. So children, like the same, we have written question number 19. Okay. Yes, Aditi?
Ma'am, question number 22, B was homework.
That we will discuss. Okay, after this question number 20, we will discuss the homework answer. So children, question number 19, we have done the same. But in that rectangle figure was there. And we have written fraction for green, pink, and orange, like that. Now here we have a circle. Okay, in that circle, Manav, can you tell which colors have given? Yes, Manav.
Ma'am, in the circle there is
Ah,
3 types of colors.
ah.
They
Green,
are
ah,
white, green, and orange.
orange. So we have to find out the fraction for each color. Same like question number 19 we will do. To start with, tell me how many total parts we can write. Start writing. Total, how many parts are there?
Total number of equal parts
Hmm. Count and tell me.
12.
12. Okay. So children, we can start with that step. Question number 20. Total number of, this is page number 12. Page number 12.
Total number of equal parts.
Total number of equal parts. Total number of equal parts.
12.
12. Okay. So how we can write the next step? Now we can write number of parts in green color, fraction.
Fraction for orange color.
So we can start with the fraction with the green color. Fraction for green. Okay. Fraction
Fraction
for
for
green color.
6.
6 by
6 by 12.
12. Okay. So children, write down this green, white, and orange. All of you can do alone. Fraction for green color is 6 by 12. Now write like this for white and orange. Fraction for white. Fraction for white color. How many white colors?
2.
2 by 12. 12. Now next one is fraction for orange color.
4.
4 by
4. 4 by 12.
12. Yes. Fraction for orange color. 4 by 12. Okay. Now what we had to find out, which color is used the most? Which color is used the most?
Green.
Green, because we can see the numerator is 6. 6 is greater than 2 and 6 is greater than 4. So green color is used the most. And which color is used the least?
White.
White. So we can, children, we can write the next step. 6 by 12 is the greatest. 6 by 12 is the greatest. Okay, 6 by 12 is the greatest. So green color is used the most. 6 by 12 is the greatest. So green color is used the most. So what we can write the next step? Yes, which is the least? 2 by 12 is the least. So white color is used the least. Okay. 2 by 12. So children, complete that. 2 by 12 is the least. Okay. 6 by 12 is used the
Am I finished?
So next one, which one? You can write in the same line. 2 by 12 is the least. 2 by 12 is the least.
2 by 12 is the least, so white.
So white color is used the least. So white color is used the least. Okay. So 6 by 12 is the greatest. You can see, look at the fraction, how you know how we were comparing the like fractions. Like fractions means the denominators are same. So we will look at the numerator. Which numerator is greater? Here 6 is the greatest. So green color is used the most. 2 by 12 is the least. So white color is used the least. Finished? Yes, Janvi, finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So children, now I hope you have completed the homework. Question number 22. Okay. Question number
Yes, ma'am.
22, Maria. Yes, Maria, 22. Maria, can you please tell me the answer of question number 22B? Ascending order. Ascending order.
1 by 14,
Yes, 1 by 14,
2 by 14,
2 by 14,
3 by 14,
3 by 14,
4 by
4
14,
by 14,
5 by
5 by
14,
14,
8 by
8 by
14,
14 and 11 by 14. Very good. Okay. Now, what about the descending order, Tanvi? Tanvi? Question number 22B, descending order.
B.
B.
11 by
Descending-
14.
11 by 14. I will write the answer on the board.
8 by
Please,
14.
okay, 8 by 14, 5 by 14. Okay. So, children,
5 by 14.
5 by 14,
4 by 14.
4 by 14, 3
3
by
by 14.
14, 2 by 14, and
2 by 14.
and 1 by
1
14.
by 14.
Okay, okay. So children, question number 22, that was homework. Please check whether your answer is correct or not. So ascending order. Ascending. What do you have to write here? 1 by 14, 2 by 14, 3 by 14, 3, then we have 4, 5, 8 and 11. 5 by 14, 8 by 14 and 11 by 14. After writing, please check whether you have written all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And descending children, you can do the reverse. Descending. 11 by 14, 8 by 14, 5 by 14, 4 by 14, 3 by 14, 2 by 14, and 1 by 14. Okay.
8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 14.
Okay, children.
Can you clear the board again?
Again. Okay, please check. Okay, so children, we completed here now 8.2. So last day we were revising division. Today we were revising fractions 1. And next day I will send the revision test link. So those who have not studied properly, you can study again. Okay, children, we are going to wind up the class now. The other children is having now the exam. Okay, so I'm going to wind up the class now. Okay, children.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
I will send these notes.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.